When people are in a public place, when they're at a bar or some sort of apartment complex for a party, things like that, things happen, and sometimes fights break out. Oftentimes people will get into arguments and someone might get assaulted, and I get questions all the time. Well, in those cases, who might be responsible for that? Can I bring a lawsuit for that? And the answer is yes, you can. The person who you get into a fight with or the person who assaults you would certainly be a potential defendant. You have to be careful and mindful that there are very short limitations as far as to when you can file a claim against that person. But more importantly, the property owner or the facility that you get assaulted at, may also be responsible depending on whether or not that facility or that property owner knew or should have known that a dangerous person or someone with an inclination towards fighting or aggressiveness might pose a risk to the public members who are on the premises. So if they had prior notice, for instance, if a property owner had repeated complaints about a specific individual continuing to be a problem or a threat to the rest of the users of the property, those could give rise to a potential claim against the property owner. So it's really important to meet with an attorney and discuss with the attorney possibly whether or not the person who owns or is running the facility might also be subject to a lawsuit or a claim in the event that you're injured by someone who has assaulted you.